George was really looking to take it to the next level. How can we communicate with the customers better? How can we lower cancellations? How can we, take all that communication, and email is such a good communication tool that is around your own data. So one thing about all these Facebook ads and Instagram ads, you don't own any of that data. Whereas email marketing, you capture that email and now you own that email. You own all the data around what people are coming to the website, what products they're viewing, what they're purchasing. So we really wanted to dive into who is the audience.
We looked at how we could set up different triggers around subscription types, whether it was a 3 or 6 or 12 month, George, I think it was. We went and set it up slightly differently so that we could target those sort of niche group of customers more dynamically than what was happening in MailChimp at the time.
They're signing up to something a little bit more. They're signing up to a sequence of learning. They're signing up to child development. They're signing up to having that experience and that for their children every so often. A lot of the content that sit in our box is very much fun and creative, and kids love it. But also parents understand it as well. There's a lot of parental instructions in there, helps parents understand how to engage with their child. It almost democratizes child development. So then, we like to say parents could be their child's best teacher.